Hello, good evening students. I hope you have done your exams extremely well. Myself Vikrant P. Nadagoda from Sainik School Coaching Center, Lokapur, Karnataka, Bagalkot district. I am an alumni of Sainik School Bijapur and a postgraduate engineer. And I will be solving maths question paper, maths part for All India Sainik School Entrance Examination that was held on 28th January 2024. Let's start. Without wasting much of the time, let us start with solving the maths question paper of All India Sainik School Entrance Examination held on 28th January 2024. Let me begin with the first question. See, actually maths is one of the most important chapter for All India Entrance Examination for Sainik School, because all other chapters you have 2 marks for one question, and for maths you have 3 marks per question. So if you answer all the questions correctly, you will be scoring 50% of the marks required for the examinations. Okay, the first question is 2 kg, 2.6 kg plus 3 kg 700 grams. Okay, what does it mean? 2.6 kg and 3.7 kg. So what it will be? 6 plus 7 is 13, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6.3 kg. That means option A, 6 kg 300 grams. Question number 27. The side of a cube formed by melting a solid cuboid with dimensions 3 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm is. So first find the volume of a cuboid, that is 3 cm into 8 cm into 9 cm, that is 24 into 9, that is 260 cm cube. Okay, so this is also the volume of cube that which is formed by melting the cuboid. Now what we know, volume of a cube is equal to a cube, but here a is side of a cube. But we know that volume of a cube is 216. Therefore, A is equal to cube root of 216. What is cube root of 216? Answer is option A, 6. 6 cube is 360. So, the answer is option A. Okay. Coming to question number 28. 8 small cubes each having edge of 2 cm are arranged to form a large cube. The volume of the large cube in centimeter cube is what they are. So totally 8 small cubes having an edge of 2 cm are arranged together. So what we have to do? Volume of all the 8 cubes we have to find. So 8 cubes are there, into volume of 8 cubes is 2 cube. So what will be the answer? 8 into 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8 8s are 64. So the answer is option C, 64. 64 is the right answer. Question number 29. If the cost of 420 oranges is 2520, then the cost of 8 dozen oranges is. So basically first let me find the cost of each orange is 2520 divided by 420. 0 0 will get cancelled. 42 6 are. So each orange is costing us 6 rupees. So therefore we have to find cost of 8 dozen. 8 dozen means 8 into 12 oranges into 6 rupees. So 12 8s are 96 into 6. So 6 6 are 36. 6 9s are 54 plus 3 57. We have the option D, 576 is the right answer. So number 30. If 16 bags cost 1520 rupees, then the cost of 3 bags will be. So based on the unitary method, first you have to find the cost of each bag. So what it will be? 1520 rupees divided by number of bags, that is 60, and you have to multiply it by the number of bags that is required cost. So it is multiplied by 3. 4 4s are 4, 3s are 8s are 32, 0, 4 1s are 4, 9s are 36, 5s are 20. So 95 into 3, 285. So option D, 285 is the right answer. Number 31. Which of the angles in the given figure are equal to 3 right angles? What does it mean by 3 right angles? 90 degree into 270 degrees is what you have to get. So if you observe here, the angle here is 360 minus 90, you get 270 here. Here also you will get 270, 90 minus 360. Okay. So these are the only two places where you get 3 right angles. So one is angle E and angle C. So which one is the option here? Angle E and angle C. Option 1 is the right answer. Question number 32. Name the type of an angle whose measure is 26 degree more than the difference between the angles 146 and 82. So difference between 146 and 82 is what we have to find now. 146 minus 82. This is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 0. So 64 degrees the difference. Plus we have to add 26 degrees to that. So what will get? 90 degrees. So what it is? Right angle? Yes, that's it. Option C. Option 3 is right angle. Question number 33. Two angles of a triangle are 40 degree and 50 degrees respectively. Name the triangle based on the sides of the angle formed. Since two angles, sum of two angles is 40 plus 50, it is 90 degree. So what will be the triangle? Obviously it will be 90 degree. Here scalene and acute angle, wrong. Scalene and right angle triangle, yes, this is possible. This is scalene triangle also, and this is right angle triangle also. So option 2 is the right answer. Question number 34. Which of the following fractions will be at the third place from the left when these fractions are arranged in ascending order? If you observe the trend here, you arrange this. So this will be approximately around 0.64. This will be 0.66. So let me directly write it now based on the ascending order. 9 by 14, then comes 2 by 3, then comes 5 by 6, then comes 7 by 2. So from left, which one is third one? First, second, third. 5 by 6. So option B, 5 by 6 is the right answer. Okay. Question number 35. Arrange the fractions in descending order. When the numerator is same, the highest value will have the lowest fractional value. Okay, so if I have to arrange it in the descending order, I have to choose the smallest denominator first. So 2 by 7, 2 by 5, 2 by 9 and 2 by 11. So which one is the answer here? 5, 7, 9 and 11. Option 2, right answer. The largest among the fractions 5 by 9, 4 by 11, 7 by 12 and 6 by 13 is. So we have to calculate the decimals here. Each and individual decimals we have to calculate, and here we have to find out which one is the largest. So 5 by 9, what it will be? 9 0.95 is a 45 50. 9 5 is a 45 50 9 5 is a 45. This one will be. And how about 11? 0.11 3 is a 33. Then we'll get 7 zeros, 11 6 is a 66. So it is approximately 0.36. This one will be 0.12 5 is a 60. 100 12 8 is a 96. Okay, and this one 0.13 4 is a, so approximately 0.4 it will be. So if you have to find the largest fraction. Which one is the largest fraction here? It's clearly 7 by 12. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 37. What should be added to 5 by 13 to get 13 by 5? So here what should be added? 5 by 13 should be added with x to get 13 by 5. So x is equal to 13 by 5 minus 5 by 13. So if you solve this, you will have LCM of 65. 165 minus 25, it's 144 by 65. So option 3, 144 by 16. Question number 38. 3 cloth pieces of length 7 meter, 7.5 meter and 9.5 meter respectively are cut in pieces of identical maximum length of each small pieces. Clearly we know what we have to do. You have to find the LCM of 7, 7.5 and 9.5. So if you take the LCM will be option 4. We had already solved this problem with our students and same problem has come up with this question paper. So answer is 50. Practice same problem we are seeing here. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 150 and 25 respectively. If one of the number is 75, find another number. So LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. Okay, so 150 into 25 is equal to A into 75. A is equal to 150 into 25 divided by 70. 75 ones are 75 twos are, and again it is the same answer. Option 4. That's 50. Number 40. A shopkeeper bought a table and chair for 1900 and 600 respectively. He bought a table and one chair for 1900 and 600. He sold both items to Ankit with 15% profit. How much Ankit paid for the table and chair? We have to find the selling price. So what will be the cost price? CP is equal to 1900 plus 600. 1900 plus 600 is 2500. We know that P percentage is equal to P by CP into 100. What is P percentage here? It's 15% is equal to P by 2500 into 100. P is equal to 50 into 2500 divided by 100. 0, 0. 25 5 is 125, 21. 25 ones are 25 plus 12, that is 375 rupees. So what will be the selling price here? Selling price is equal to P plus CP, right? P is 375 plus CP is 2500. What will be the total? 2875 rupees. Option 4, 2875. In an examination, Divya scored 340 marks out of 400 marks. What is the percentage of marks he has scored? Very easy. What you have to do? 340 divided by 400 into 100. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 8s are 32, 4 5s are 20. So option 4, 85% is what Divya scored. Question number 42. The number whose 20% is equal to 10 is. What you have to do? 20% of x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 into 100 divided by 10. 0, 0, 1s are 2, 50s are. So answer is option 3, 50. 43. If 46% of a number is 115, then what is 150% of that number? So 46 of this number is 46 by 100 into x is equal to 115. X is equal to how much? 115 into 100 divided by 4650. So we got 46% of a number is 111, that number is 250. Now I have to find 150% means 150 by 100 into 250. 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. Again 15 into 25, how much it will be? 25 is a 125, 25 is a 25 plus 375. So option 4, 375 is the right answer. A metallic rod was heated to a temperature of 120 degrees centigrade. Later its temperature was reduced to 34 degrees. Then its temperature was raised by 45 degrees. What is the present temperature of the rod? Okay. So present, how much was the temperature difference that has been? It was increased, it was reduced to 34, then it was increased to 45 degrees. So first you have to reduce it, 120 minus 34, how much it will be? 86 degrees. Then it was increased by 45 degrees. 45 will add it, 1, 9 plus 131 degrees. So answer is option 3, 131 degrees. A vessel is heated to a temperature of 62 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the vessel in the degree Fahrenheit. So we have to convert it into Fahrenheit. So we do the formula for Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 into centigrade. What is centigrade? 62 degrees plus 32 degrees. So 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, or 5 fours are 10. So option A, option 1, 143.6 degree Fahrenheit. Half of a circle is semicircle. So half of longest chord of a circle is, what is longest chord of a circle's half? Radius. The line segment which divides in two equal parts, that is diameter. So for half of a circle, semicircle A is to 3, A is to 3, we have two options here. Half of the longest chord of a circle, half means radius, B is to 4, B is to 4, so option 2, option 2 is the right answer. In the figure, O is the center of the circle, AB is equal to 8 centimeter, AB is equal to 8 centimeter, so what will be the OP? 8 divided by 4 centimeter. Very easy it is. Option 2. It's a right answer. Jaspal purchased a old car for 1,18,000 rupees and spent 7,000 on its repair. So what is the cost price here? 1,18,000 rupees plus 7,000 is spending on its repair, 1,25,000 rupees. If he sold the car for 1,40,000, SP is equal to 1,40,000. So what will be the profit will be earning? 1,40,000 minus 1,25,000, 15,000 rupees is the profit. Profit percentage P is equal to, P percentage is equal to P by CP into 100, 15,000 divided by CP is 1,25,000 into 100. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 25 fours are 25 fives are 4 threes are 12%. Is option C, option 3, 12 is the right answer. Supplementary angle of the complementary angle of 1/10 of a right angle will be. So first, what is 1/10 of a right angle? 1 by 10 into 90. So what it is? 0, 0, 9. So complementary of 1/10 means, complementary means 90 minus 9. How much will you get? 81. Then we have to find supplementary of this angle. So 180 minus 81. 990. So answer is option 1, 99 degrees. The supplementary angle of 3 times of the half of right angle is 3 times into 45 because half of right angle it is. That is 135 degrees is given. But what they have asked, the supplementary of this 135 degrees. So what will be the supplementary? 180 minus 135. So you will get 45 degrees. 45 degrees, it's an acute angle, yes. Acute angle, no. Right angle, no. Half of right angle, yes. Half of 90 is 45 degree. So option D, option A will be right. So which one? Okay, option 3, only A and D is the right answer. Next you have to find opposite angles, 32 degree, here 50 degree. So 50 plus 32, it's 82 degrees. So 180 minus 82, 98 degrees. Yes, 98 degrees. One more hint. Here you have 2. What you have to add for 2 to get 0? 8 you have to add. So here is 8 here. Both ways you get 98 as a right answer. Sum of greatest 4-digit number and smallest 3-digit number is. So what is greatest 4-digit number? 9999. Smallest 3-digit number? 100. 99 plus 1? 100. So option 3, 10099 is the right answer. So next one, the difference between greatest and smallest 5-digit number found using 0, 2, 5, 3 and 1. So what is the greatest number here? 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Smallest number will be 1, 0, 2, 3, 5. 5, 4, 7, 9, 2, 4. 4 to 9, 7, 5. We have option 4. That's the right answer. Numbers is divisible by 3. What is the divisibility rule? Sum of all numbers. Sum of all numbers, if you make, it should be divisible by 3. Here let me start with the easiest number. 7 plus 3, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here it is 18, divisible by 3. So directly I got the right answer. Option 2 is the right answer. Now next one, 144 divided by 9 into 2 plus 6 minus 4. What it will be? 144 divided by 9 into 2 plus 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 9, 34. So option 3, 34 is the right answer. Started a business by investing 28,000 and 35,000 respectively. So both these persons, they started the business by investing 28,000 and 35,000 respectively. At the end of the year, Mohan received 6,250 as his share in the profit. So total profit in the business they are asked. To find the total profit, it is very tricky here. First you have to find the ratios of their investments, not directly jump into the profit. Okay, so what will be the ratios? Let me take Jayesh as J and Mohan as M. Ratios of Jayesh and Mohan, what it will be? 28,000 divided by 35,000. 3 can get cancelled. 7 5s are 7 4s are. So Jayesh is 4 and Mahesh is 5. So he has invested. So their ratios is 4:5. Okay. So what they put? Mohan received 6,250. Okay. So how much you are supposed to receive? Mohan, based on this, 5 divided by 4 plus 5 is 5 divided by 4 plus 5 is 9 into X was the total profit that they had to receive. It should be equal to 6250. X is equal to 6250 into 9 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, 1520. So 9 zeros are 9 fives are 45, 9 twos are 18 plus 4, 18 plus 4 is 22, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11. 11,250. Yes. Option 3, 11,250. In a 20 kg mixture of yellow pulse and black pulse, there is 4 kg black pulse. The ratio of black pulse and yellow pulse in the mixture is what we asked. So 20 kg mixture is there. In this BP black pulse, it is 4 kg. Therefore, YP yellow pulse should be 20 minus 4, 16. So ratio of black pulse to yellow pulse 4 by 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are. It is 1 by 4. That is 1 is to. So option 2 is the right answer. Question number 58. Joseph borrowed 25,000 on a simple interest at a rate of 6% per annum for 4 years. How much did he pay at the end of 4 years? So we have to find the amount here. What is principal? 25,000. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. T is 25,000 into 6 into 4 by 100. So 6 to 50 into 24. 0, 25 was 100, 25 is a 50, 6,000 rupees is a simple interest. So what is the amount he has to pay? A is equal to principal plus simple interest. That is 25,000 plus 6,000. 31,000 is option. Okay. Option 2 is the right answer. Next question, question number 59. How many years will a sum of 1800 becomes 2610 on a simple interest at a rate of 9% per annum? So what you have to do here, principal is 1800, P, this one is amount. So simple interest formula, what it will be? A minus P. So 2610 minus 1800, 10, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8. So 810 rupees is a simple interest here. So what do I have to calculate? How many years time you have to calculate? So SI is equal to PTR by 100. Simple interest is 810, P is equal to principal is 1800 into T into R is 9% divided by 100. So T is equal to 810 into 100 divided by 1800 into 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 T's are. Okay, 0, 9 ones are 9, 20s are. 2 ones are 2, 5s are. So 5 is option 2. Option 2, you have 5 years. Number 60, they asked perimeter of the given figure is. So you have to count all these things. 4 plus 4 plus 2, 10. 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 So it is total 40 plus 4, 44 plus 4, 48. Option 3. 48 is the right. Coming to question number 61. Pinky runs around a square field of side 50 meters and takes 6 rounds. So 50 means perimeter is 50 into 4 because it is square field, 4 sides, 4 into sides, and she is taking 6 rounds. So how much is Pinky running? How much is Pinky running now? 5 4s are 20, 6 2s are 100 meters. Shruti runs around a rectangular field of length 160 meter and 120 meters and takes 2 rounds. So 160 plus 120, it is 280. 280 into 2 times because rectangle 2 bracket L plus B. So 280 into 2 is 560. 560. Shruti makes 560 into 2 rounds. How much it will be? 560 into 2. 0, 0. 6 2s are 12. 5 2 5s are 10 plus 1. 11. So 1120. So 1120. So how much is Pinky? How much has Pinky covered more distances? 80 meters. Okay. So Pinky with 80 meters extra. Who covers more distances? Pinky, because she has run. If the average of numbers 12, 15, 19, k and k plus 5 is 30, then the value of k is formula for average 12 plus 15 plus 19 plus k plus 5 is equal to. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 you have to do. So here 12 plus 13 5 is 65. K is equal to 51 will come here. 65 minus 51. 65 minus 51 divided by how much will this? 51. 4 divided by 2 ones 7. Answer is 7. Yes, we have option 3. 7 is the right answer. Weight of 5 friends weighing 48 kg, 50 kg, 53 kg, 55 kg and 49 kg. That you have to find the average here. 48 plus 50 plus 53 plus 55 plus 49 divided by 5 is 45. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Option 2 is the right answer. 4. Read the given statements and choose the correct option. Statement number 1. Two distinct lines can intersect in more than one point. No, two distinct lines can intersect only at one given point. This is wrong. More than two lines can pass through one point. From one point, n number of lines can be drawn. So statement 2 is right. So what is right? Option 2 is right. Okay, next question. If x is equal to 30, y is equal to 120, find the value of. So what will be the answer here? 16 equal to the bracket, x is 30, y is 120 plus 5 bracket plus 1. Okay, 31s are 34s are. So what it will be now? 16 into bracket 1 by 4 plus LCM will be 4 by 4, 20 by 4 here plus 16 into 21 by 4 plus what? 4 1s are 4, 4s are. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 84 plus 1 is 85. So option 1, 85 is right answer. The decimal form of the fraction 5 by 8 is. So what you have to do? 8 5 is 0.625. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 64. The sum of all prime numbers less than 21 is. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 9. Okay. So if you add up all these things, the answer will be 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 plus 7, 28 plus 9, 37. 3 plus 4 is 7. Option 1, 77 is the right answer. Which of the following statements are not correct? Composite numbers are always even, that is false. 15 is a composite number and it is not even. So, this is not correct. Yes, this is not correct. And our answer, it should be correct. Next one. Prime numbers are always odd. 2 is the only even. So, as per the statement is wrong and our answer, this is also right. Sum of two prime numbers is always prime. Is it? No. 5 plus 3, it's 8 and it's not a prime number. So statement is wrong. Our answer is correct. Product of two composite numbers is always a composite. Yes, exactly. Product of two numbers is always a composite. So statement is true. Our answer is wrong. So A, B and C are right. So option 3. A, B and C. Question number 69. A party was given to 30 children. Pizzas, burgers, cold drinks were bought for 450 rupees, 300 rupees and 270 rupees respectively. Everything was shared among 30 children. Cost of items given to each child was. So what we have to find? We have to find the total. 0, 7 plus 5 is 12, 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10. 1020. So average will be 1020 divided by, we have to divide it by 30 children. 0, 0, 3, 1 are 3, 4 sorry. 3, 3 are 9, 3, 4 are 12. So 34 is the right answer. Option C, 34 is the right answer. What should be subtracted from the sum of 3509 and 2165 to get 4009? So 3509 and sum we have to find 2165. What will be the answer? 9 plus 5, 14, 6 plus 7, 5 plus 6, 3 plus 2, 5. So we have to subtract a number from these to get 4009. Therefore, x will be 5674 minus 4009. So what will be the answer? 5. 7 minus 1 will be 6. 6 1665. Yes, we have it. Option 4, 1665 is the right answer. Of the following is a correct representation using the numerals 199 CXC 199. So option 3 is the right answer. Question number 72. The number written using the Roman numerals XXI minus XV minus 6 is equal to, okay, this is 21 minus 50. What is 21 minus 50? 6. 6 minus 6. 0 plus this number. Okay, they are given the answer itself. Option 1 is the right answer. Harish drives a car at a speed of 45 km per hour. How much time in minutes will he take to drive 12 kilometers? D is equal to 12 kilometers. Speed is 45 kilometers per hour. So time is equal to D by S. So what is distance? 12 divided by 45. But we have to multiply it by 6. 15 3s are 15 4s are 3 1s are 3 4s are. So 16 minutes. Answer is option 3. 16 minutes is the right answer. Raman covers a distance of 24 kilometers in 40 minutes. If he increases his speed by 4 kilometers per hour, how much time in minutes will he take to cover the same distance? So first let us calculate. Speed D is equal to 24 kilometers. Time is equal to 40 minutes. That is 40 by 60 hours. Okay. So speed is equal to D by D, 24 divided by 40. Denominator of denominator will be numerator into 60. 0, 0, 4 1s are 4, 6 are 6 is 36 kilometer per hour. If he increases the speed by 4 kilometers per hour, so you have to add plus 4. So his speed will be 40 km per hour. And the distance he has to take is 12 kilometers. Therefore, again we will have to calculate the time. How much time will take? Distance is 12 kilometers divided by speed is 40 kilometers per hour. But I have to convert it into minutes. So I will multiply it by 60. The distance is 24 kilometers. 4, 6 are 24. 6 into 6 is 36 minutes. Again, he is taking 36 minutes. Option 3 is the right answer. Amrita went, this is the last question, question number 75. Amrita went to the market for purchasing stationery items for her son. She carried 500 rupees note. So, okay, she has 500 rupees in her bag. She paid 135 rupees 50 paise for notebook, 30 rupees for pen, 30 rupees 50 paise, 3 rupees 75 paise for erasers, 3.75. Then 48 she paid for colors and 142 for geometry. 48 she paid for colors and then 142 for geometry box. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 7, 17 is 8 plus 2, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18, 19. 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 1, 2. So she has to pay 359 rupees 75 paisa. So how much money will be left with her? 359.75. So the answer will be 5, 2, 0, 4, 140 rupees 25 paise. Yes. Option 3. It's a right answer. Yes. With this, we'll come to the end of mathematics portion of All India Science School Entrance Examination that was held on January 28, 2024. I hope all the students have done extremely well in your mathematics, and I wish you a very best of success. For any more information you require regarding Science School Coaching Center Lokapur, please feel free to contact us on 9901091415, and an alternate number is 9731823593. Please contact us. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.